Innocent Minds.
Audio Jungle.
Hello, my name is Suni Malo. I'm an associate to the Innocent Minds team, and I just want to briefly tell you how NLP has really helped my life. NLP is a tool that has really helped me to be a better person, in the sense that everything NLP carries is something that I can apply in my everyday life, in every aspect of my life. You know, it's helped me to be a better person. It's helped me to be a happier person. It's helped me to learn how to help people to be better at what they do, to be better in living their own lives and even in their careers. You know, they're simple tools, things you can apply every day. It doesn't matter where you are. It doesn't matter with who you're communicating. It doesn't matter what kind of job you do. NLP always has something that comes in handy for me, and I'm really glad that I came across NLP, and I am where I am today. I'm in a position where I can help other people, you know, to be themselves. So this is my NLP story.
Hello. Okay.
Yes.
Do we plan things? Do we say things to colleagues at work? You know, the people who work for us. Do we say things and then they happen? Did our parents say things in in the direction of our future? For me, my dad kept saying, "You will never amount to anything. You never amount to anything." The years of my struggle in Abuja, every once in a while, I stopped on the street trekking and I remembered what he said. I'm like, is this true? Is this true? I was struggling like, is this true? One day when rain beats me, who knows Abuja very well? You know Abuja very well? Area 8. I trekked to conference center. I was hoping somebody would give me a ride. Nobody gave me. Started running down, started jogging, and then started raining. I was soaked to my underwear. I got to zone 4. This is like a long journey. And then I was going to Federal House in Maitama. It was raining. And I'm thinking, what this guy said, is it true? It's a prophecy. You will never amount to anything. It's a virus. It's introduced into your system. Now, what has happened with a lot of the viruses that have been introduced into our system is, many times, many of us, we don't like the antivirus, so we buy a new one. But when you buy a new one, you have to uninstall the old one in order to put the new one. But we take the new one, want to install it with the old one there. What does the system give you as feedback? Huh? What does it say? IT people. What does your system say? If you want to install an antivirus and there's one there. Huh? You need to uninstall. Yeah, so that's what happens. A lot of people come into this experience, or any training for that matter, they come to change their business. They don't uninstall the previous way of doing business. They want to install the new ways. But the old way is going to be in the way of the new way. The old way is going to be in the way. It's contrasting, it's conflicting. It's going to hinder the workings of the new. We have beliefs, and the best you hear is you need to change it. But we're not told how we can change it. We have values that we need to change. Values whose hierarchy we also need to alter. We don't know how to do that. We just say you need to work on your values. You need to develop a new value system. How? We don't know. NLP makes it very simple to understand and then to use it.